I'm a bit scared. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play with a lot of makeup. I'm going to do this look using the Bye Bye Birdie pressed powder palette from Colourpop and the So Jaded Kathleen Lights Colourpop collab. So we're going to use both of these palettes and play and have fun. So if you're not already subscribing, I really suggest you to do that. Just click the button down here, and of course you can click the bell as well if you want notifications every time I upload a new video. And with no further ado, let's get into this. So first of all, we're going to try a hack I just watched on YouTube. I have an old gel eyeliner. This is from Maybelline, I think. Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner in black. And this is so dry. I just take, I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's dry. Dry as f. So I watched the video and she said that she took a setting spray, one spray, and then she took a lighter and heated the gel and then swirled it around and make sure that everything smooth and soft and yeah. So let's try. I'm not using this anymore, so it doesn't matter if it's getting even more f***ed up. So I wonder, should we take the NYX or my Fix Plus? I think we take the Fix Plus from MAC and just spray. Should I mix it before I heat? And then we take my lighter. Don't try this home if you're, I don't know, just don't try it. I don't know for how long. Getting really messy. I don't know if you see. Okay, we heat it some more. Did I just get it in my eye? We'll see if that's good later. So I just close that one, and then we will do the same to my NYX Tame and Frame. This is eyebrow pomade. I really want to try to make a wing today with gel liner because I'm getting tired of my eyeliner pen. So this is dry as f, but we're going to try it anyway. We take the Fix Plus again and one spray. So that's the result. Okay, so now we will try to apply this pomade from NYX. It's the Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade Espresso. So let's see. And I use my Colourpop E6 brush. And it can be good to have a spoolie as well. And take some of the product on the brush. Well, it's definitely not dry anymore. That's really easy to work with, my god. So I just draw a line on the bottom of the brow and then I blend it upwards. So we take my Studio Finish concealer and C15 from MAC and try to clean the eyebrows a bit. So the eyebrows are done. Let's do the eye makeup. So we take a sponge and some concealer to conceal that eyelid. It looks so much better because first it's sticky, so the eyeshadow gets more intense, and it also gives you a blank canvas to start on. You can also use an eye primer, but I never do. And the concealer I used for that was a Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade 8B. So, what to do with our eyes? I actually have no idea. Okay, we have to look at some pictures, I think. Get some inspiration. I will try something new, I think, that I never tried before. I could do a complete dark eyeshadow, only darkness. Or I could do a cut crease with some pinks and nude pink, maybe? Okay, I think we do the cut crease because I want to get better at that. So we're going to use Colourpop eyeshadows for the eye look. And the first palette is the Bye Bye Birdie. And also the So Jaded collab with Kathleen Lights. So, let's see. So the first shade we're going to take is the Nesting in the Bye Bye Birdie palette with this small blending crease brush. And I'm going to use my mirror from the Huda Beauty palette, so you don't wonder why I'm holding that. Okay, we want to go a lot darker, so we take the Jasper in the Caitlin Lights palette with the same brush. We take a much smaller brush and the shade Stoned in the Caitlin Lights palette. So just to intense where we have applied the other shadow. And then we take a really small blending brush from Morphe. It's the M562 with no shadow, and just blend that line. I think that looks really good, but we want some color, I think. So we take a packing brush. This is from MAC, I think. And Heron Chic from the Bye Bye Birdie. Oh my god, that's pigmented. Ooh. I think I'm going to take this smudge brush and some concealer, and we're going to cut the crease. We use my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and we want this perfect. We want a sharp line. And then we want to take a clean brush and just blend the edge. And we take another packing brush, just a concealer brush or packing brush, and a light shade. I think we take the My Precious in the Caitlin Lights. So it's just bone white, and apply that over the concealer. So now we just do the same on the other eye. Now we do the lower lash line. So we take just this packing brush we took purple or pink with before. So we just put the leftover pigment on the lower lash line. And then we take a clean blending brush and just blend that out. So we take a very small brush and a darker shade. I think we take the Jasper from the Caitlin Lights. And just put it in the outer corner. And a little bit of that Stoned as well. So we take my angled brush from Colourpop and the gel eyeliner, so this will be interesting. I will probably f up the whole look, but we'll try. We take a smaller eyeliner brush for the inner corner. Oh, that sucked. Why does that suck? Ugh, it went so good and then I f***ed up. Okay, so I've never fixed my eyeshadow for so long in my entire life. Insane. For real, insane. Whatever. We apply some Avant primer. This is a bit more hydrating than Benefit one that I usually use. And then we are going to use two foundation. We're going to use the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation and the Too Faced Peach Perfect. And we're going to mix them because this is too dark and this is too light. So we just mix it. And I mix on my hand. And I just apply that with my Milani buffing brush. Really good. I love it. I think it's matching. It's really hard to see in this light. And then when you go out, it's completely wrong. And both foundations are really drying, so we want to work fast with these. So I don't know if I talked about it, but I started to film in my studio, and it feels like it looks worse than before. I take some of that Tarte Shape Tape concealer with the same buffing brush. It feels like it gets so sterile or something. The light is weird, even though I have all my studio lights. I have my ring light and 3 soft boxes. And even if I have all those lights, it still feels like so boring light here. I don't know why. Now I take the Max & More contour stick. So you all know I love heavy makeup, but I want to try to do a video soon where I try to do this natural, lightweight look, because I'm suck at that. I'm not even good at doing non-heavy looks, so it would be fun to practice and try to get better at that. I love heavy looks, so that's what I'm good at. And then sometimes when I editing, I see how weird it looks or something, so yeah. So we take my contour kit from Anastasia in the light, I think, light to medium, and the middle shade here. I just set that contour. Then we take a fluffy brush and my Fenty Beauty bronzer, the Private Island. Just warm up. And I have a new 5-color palette, highlight blush, and when I opened it and took off the plastic, I actually put my nail in it, so it's kind of destroyed. But anyhow, I'm going to take this middle shade for blush. I have never used this before. Oh, okay. Really cute blush. And we set the rest of the face. Born This Way setting powder. Bear With Me brow setter from NYX. So I'm just applying that, so the brow hairs stay in place. I take my Vivid Matte Liquid lipstick from Maybelline. And of course we want some highlighter, so we're going to use the highlighter in this palette we took blush from. Just mix them. And that doesn't show so much. Okay, now we get some more with this setting brush instead. Not so heavy. Maybe for this look because it's already so intense, but no, I want another highlighter. So we take my Fenty Beauty highlighter instead, the Hustla Baby. In the inner corner as well. And I almost forgot we need mascara, so I'm going to take my Roller Lash from Benefit. So that's the final look. So what do I think? I don't really know, but I think that if I haven't up the eyeliner, it would have been nicer, because now you can see a difference between the shades, because I had to put concealer over the shadow because I had drawn so terrible. But I don't know, I need to find a better brush for that purpose. I don't really have a good brush for gel liners, or maybe it wasn't such a great idea to heat up the eyeliner and put setting spray in it. But I don't know, maybe, I mean, I couldn't use it before because it was so dry, so it's better than nothing. So I don't really know, but yeah, I'm pretty happy anyway, because I'm not so used to these kind of cut creases. I just cut a little bit of the eye and then put on some nice shadow, so it's a totally new look. I don't really know if I like the purple pink either. It isn't really my kind of shade, but it's fun to test out, and this is what makeup is about. Yeah, you must practice to become better, of course, so still happy with the result, even though I maybe wouldn't go out to the club like this. Okay, I never go to the club, but yeah, you understand what I mean. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And I see you in the next video. Bye!